I've been struggling to take this radar mount off for months. I'm done asking.
Back in November, when Andy was taking the boat apart, he found that he couldn't remove our old radar mount, no matter how hard he tried. He finally decided it needed a little more than elbow grease. What is that?
A paint.
Oh. What do I do with those?
See if I can pop them through.
Okay.
Cut all these rivets off flush. I've had a win.
You beat it. You beat the damn radar mount that just wouldn't die.
Yep, now we're going to install the new radar mount, but it's not going to be crooked.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah.
The crooked radar mount makes it really hard to read the radar.
Did I give it all I need? The boat over there or is it over there? I don't know.
So we're gonna take care of that now.
Hey Gwen, can you stick your head up here just a sanity check? I did it using math and stuff.
What?
I did it using math and stuff.
So the ride is moving and it's on its own, like. I think it's straight.
Okay, you're comparing it to, obviously you're comparing it to the spiders?
Yeah.
Okay.
And like the shape of the mast.
Here we go!
I feel like it's also a good sign it's not lining up with the previous one.
I have issues with the radar mount. Last night, my rivet gun wasn't big enough to do these stainless steel rivets. So now I have a 17 1/2 inch rivet gun from the Harbor Freight. See how it says Fastener Pro on the box? It says Pittsburgh on the inside, but we don't care. It was $20. Ready?
Yep. Whoa.
This is the adapter plate for our radar mount. It's pretty clever. They have all these piloted holes here, and you pick which one corresponds to your radar. So ours is number 12, so I'll drill out all the number 12 holes.
radar that's not crooked, hopefully. Next week, we do a little modification to the mast. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with all of our projects.